In this video, I am going to discuss above and below the brace and underline in latex. For some equations, we need to write a overline or over braces or underline and under braces for the formula. For that, we need the commands are slash overline, slash over brace, slash underline and slash under brace. So for example, here we need to write x plus y bar. The whole bar is equal to x bar plus y. So this bar is line. This is line. So we are using overline commands. So we are start with slash overline, the slash overline, and the contents are x plus y. So it's open the brackets x plus, again this y is having overline, so slash overline y and close the brackets is equal to only x is having the overline, so slash overline of x plus y. So execute this line, then we will get the answer this way. In this example, here to obtain this part, we need the array command. So first, this bracket is start with slash left, the open brackets with slash begin array, and it's under a line. The now m plus 1 n with backslashes and m and end array. Then to get this closed brackets, we are using slash right. Now this is equal to fraction symbol has to use to obtain m plus n into exclamation, then a denominator value is m exclamation and n exclamation, then is equal to, then this also fraction value, so slash fraction, then here the numerator value is having over braces and here denominator value is having under braces. So here we are start with slash over brace, then we are writing the required numerator values, then we are close the numerator values, then close the over brace brackets too, then coming under the denominator values start with under brace brackets, then write the denominator content, then closed with under brace brackets. Then execute this commands. Finally, we will get the expressions like this. Here, the under braces are present in the second equations. So we are start the second equations after 1 by 2 it started. So after 1 by 2 we are start with under brace, the open bracket, and write the whole content, then close to the under brace brackets, then double slashes. Then execute the equations. Finally we will obtain the result. Thank you.